We use the internet for texting our families and friends, writing a report for school or work, or watching a YouTube video like this one. But have you ever wondered how the internet works? Let's learn how this works on this video of How Does It Work? The internet is a vast network that connects our smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets everywhere around the world. The internet helps us communicate with each other from far away and gives us more opportunities to learn, work, have fun, and many more. The internet connects places far away by sending laser light signals through long underwater protected fiber optic cables. And since light is extremely fast, messages, calls, emails, and other things online work almost without delay. Once the internet gets to your country through the underwater system, if you are using a Wi-Fi router, the internet gets to your device by sending radio waves which your device understands. And if you are using an Ethernet cable, it sends electrical signals which your device interprets as data. There are many dangerous things on the internet, so staying safe is a must. Making strong passwords that you can remember, being careful with what you download, using a secure internet connection, and others are all good ways to stay safe online. What is the difference between 5G and 4G? 5G is a new internet technology that is way faster than 4G. 4G is usually around 14 Mbps, while 5G is usually 100 Mbps. 5G can help us improve our world with new and improved technologies like better self-driving cars, some brand new phones with more capabilities, watching charger videos with less lag, and pretty much faster everything related to the internet. If you want your internet to run faster, try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to where you need the internet the most. You can also try turning off the Wi-Fi on devices you don't need the internet at the moment. Or, if you're using a computer, connect it to an Ethernet cable instead, because Ethernet cables work faster than Wi-Fi. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. See you in another video.